From this month, I decided to look back and make documentation on dividend I received and how I utilized that amount. This updating helps me to understand where I am standing and what direction I can go further. Sun Life Financial market cap 37.3 billion, P by E ratio 12.2, earning per share 5.22 and pays 4.5% dividend yield. I bought 10 shares of SLF last year and they increased dividend twice already. Totally happy. Keeping it for long time holding. Planning to buy more in coming days. Chorus Entertainment. Actually, I bought one share of Chorus from the dividend I earned from other stock on the plan to buy more, but this company is not performing well, so pause the idea of buying more. Diversified Royalty Crop pays 7.95 dividend yield, monthly dividend payer. This is my favorite one. Keep on buying it every time when I got spare money left over. Canadian Net Real Estate Investment Trust pays 6.33% dividend yield, also a monthly dividend payer. To explore REITs, I bought this stock. So far no complaints yet, but still not taking any extra position, but will wait and see. Asia Pacific Income Fund pays 8.27% dividend yield, bought way back and sold for the amount invested. Keep these 4 stocks as profit, which still pays me a dividend. Cascade pays 4.3% dividend yield. This one gives me a thrilling roller coaster ride. After I bought it last year May, it went really low. Supposed to be bought some more, but somewhat I didn't do it. Finally came back and now on the positive green side, keeping it for a long term. Plus Sesimic pays 2.9% dividend yield. Keep accumulating whenever possible. Sold last year in April. Keep the profit as share, 6 of them. So still getting dividends. Microsoft Corporation in CDR, bought at November 2021 to check whether CDR will pay dividend or not. Can't able to sell it because got that in a high price, but no regrets. Going to keep it forever and try to accumulate it in the future. EIT Income Fund pays 9.36% dividend yield, a well-known diversified fund to keep in every portfolio. Whenever it takes a dip, I take a sip. Frim Capital Property Trust pays 9.24% dividend yield. My other little position on REIT. Got 6 shares only. Getting monthly pay. Cash flow is important. Real Estate Split Corporation pays 10.6% dividend yield. It is a split crop fund that invests in real estate, giving high yield dividend, but there is a chance to miss a dividend if the NAV goes below their mentioned value. Global Dividend Growth Split Corporation pays 12% dividend yield. To explore the global investing, it is another split crop with high yield as well, taking a chance of risk with a reward. Newport Exploration Limited pays 15.6% dividend yield. It's a royalty company with no debt. Considered as a penny stock, means high risk. This is my one of early stage purchase. Another REIT, Starlight Global Real Estate Fund, pays 5.8% dividend yield. It is a global real estate fund, one of my biggest holding REITs. Buying this by drip, to make a snowball effect. Next one is Propel Holding, pays 5.5% dividend yield from a financial sector. Cut 11 shares, pays a quarterly dividend. Still on the fence about whether to add a position or not. Hard to decide yet. Toka pays 2.4% dividend yield. My fund of fund stock. Contain 9 other TD ETFs. Bought it for diversification. Pays monthly dividend.